Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another one of my Facebook videos. I'm Fanie Naude. I'm the Managing Director for BuzzNet Direct, and we help overworked accountants that's struggling with marketing and sales to get more of a constant stream of their ideal clients. So today we are talking about adding more value to your clients. So there's a few things that you should understand. And first of all, there should be a balance between how much value you add, the effort you put into that, and how much you charge for that value. So first of all, obviously giving not enough value is going to leave you with unhappy clients and customers. That means your customer satisfaction is going to be quite low. So you don't need to fall into that trap. But the other thing that's happening with businesses and accountants these days is that they provide so much value, but they don't charge enough for that value. That means you get overworked and underpaid. That's why there's so many businesses that's not making any profit at the moment, because they're trying to provide too much value without charging accordingly. And they also put in too much effort for that time as well. So the whole thing is you should be providing as much value with as little effort as possible while still charging accordingly. And accordingly means 1 to 3 return on investment, meaning if you give 30,000 Rand worth of value, that means you charge 10,000 Rand for that. It gives you a little bit of a buffer for if your value does not pan out as you think, and you still get double the return on investment if something goes wrong. That's just to give you that little bit of a cushion so that you still provide more value than you charge, but you should still charge accordingly. You cannot charge too little. That means you're not going to make any profit. So today we're going to talk a little bit more about two companies that really help me provide more value to my clients, while I do as little or no effort at all from my side. So the entire thing is here is I provide more value to my clients, giving them stuff that they still need, but not me personally putting in all that effort. So that means that basically the first company that we really want to talk about here is Bridgement. So this company is really great if you need business financing or funding. If you really hate banks and loan sharks, you really don't know where to get some money, and you really hate the paperwork. All these banks that go through so much approval process and all that basically paperwork and approval, all that's just so much trouble going to a bank for all of this. So this is the first company of its sort in South Africa, and it provides online approval, and everything is just done online. This means that you can get business financing online, meaning you can apply within 2 minutes, you get approved within 24 hours, and you can lend anywhere between 10,000 and 5 million if you really want to. This is if you want to grow your business, you currently need some funding, or you're currently in a bind with some cash flow problems, you need to lend quickly, and you don't have time to go through that entire lending process with the banks. And another thing is they are so open with how much they charge. There's no hidden fees, there's no application fees or anything like that. They have full transparency about exactly how much you need to pay and how much in total you're going to pay back for them. So it's basically breaking that entire chain of the banks that's always going to charge you a little bit extra for something else, and you always end up overpaying for your financing. So this is an absolutely great company if you need some financing to grow your business. And another thing is they also help with just any sort of financing like that. That means you can provide this service to your clients if they really need some financing. If you're an accountant at this moment and you have some clients that are struggling with some cash flow problems, or they want to expand their business, want to grow their business, this is a great way to get that financing or funding that they really need to grow that business, or just to survive in the current business that they have. So check out the link below. You're just going to need to go through that link, and you'll see how easy it is to apply online for financing, or you can just sign up as one of their partners or affiliates. Either way that you want to do this, this is just a great way to just give some extra value to your clients while still basically doing very little to nothing from your end, meaning you provide more value. And the next company that we really want to talk about is Builderall. Now this is really great if your business, you want to do some online marketing, you want an online presence, but you have no idea what you're doing. The entire world is going online. Everything is just going online from now on. So that means basically you just want to do everything online. But if you're not used to this, or you don't have a company supplying you with all these methods how to do this, this company is a great way to do it, because they provide you with the entire platform. It's basically the most complete online marketing platform that you will ever get, because they provide you with every single tool that you could possibly use for online marketing. You can even build a very cheap professional website with them. You can create funnels with them. You can do email marketing campaigns. Every single thing, if you want an online presence, you can do through this platform. So this is basically an entire no-risk business, because they give you 14-day free trial to try out all their tools, everything on their platform, and see how that can enhance your business. Another thing is this, you can provide this to your clients as well, because if they do not have an online presence, they need one as cheaply as possible just to get started. And this is one of the cheapest professional options that you will get to get an online platform for marketing or websites or anything like that, because they're just so comprehensive in what they do. And another thing that they really offer is they offer a system where you can get some more extra revenue for your business while you basically do nothing, because they give you 100% commission on the referrals that you send to them, and another 30% monthly recurring revenue from those referrals, just because you send it to them. So this is a great way to provide value, because they give so much value from their end, and all that you need to do is just refer their platform. So this is just another way, because there's so many small businesses that don't have the money to create these very expensive websites. They don't have the money to hire the high-class marketing agencies to do some marketing for them. So this is really a cheap way to do some professional online marketing from their end, and a great way for you to provide some extra value to your clients. So just check out in the description below for their links as well. Both of the companies, Bridgement and Builderall, links is going to be below. Go check out. There's going to be a bunch of videos for Builderall that they go you through the entire process of how exactly they work, what exactly all the benefits is for small businesses, and all those stuff. There's a bunch of training as well on everything that you can go through, and it's absolutely risk-free because it is a 14-day free trial. So just check out the links in the description for those as well. So this basically brings our video to an end. Try and provide as much value to your clients as possible with as least amount as effort from your end, meaning you need to provide value without putting in so much time. That's how you're going to increase your customer satisfaction by a lot without overworking yourself. And with these systems and these companies, you can even get some extra money for you as well. Another thing I didn't say about Bridgement is they also have a partnership or affiliate program where you can also send people their way, and you can also get some kickback from their end as well. So make some more money by having strategic partnerships like these. Now, it doesn't really necessarily need to be exactly these, but these are the sort of companies that you want to partner with and provide some extra value to your clients with, because they really solve existing problems in your clients' businesses at this moment that you cannot solve for them. So this is just how to solve even more problems for your clients while you just sit back and relax. So I really hope this created some value for you. Give me a like or a comment or a share if this created some value and you want to give us some feedback. I always love getting some feedback. Otherwise, thank you everybody. Going to do another video like this next Monday. Every single Monday we have a value video that we give to our clients and to everybody that's watching our videos to give some more value. So if you want to give us some recommendations on extra videos or some topics that you want us to cover, please give us some comments below. We would really love to get some feedback. Otherwise, thank you everybody and enjoy the rest of your week.